Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell the truth where God love. You are make sure, say you know, do nothing where we cause people to not believe in the message about Jesus. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure, so you don't miss none of what are going right as so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 6, from verse 3 to verse 13. We make sure, so we don't do nothing where would have caused people to not believe in the message where we are teaching. We don't want nobody to have nothing bad to say about the work where we are doing. So, instead of cause people to turn away, what we do, assure them, say we are God's servant in everything where we do. We show them, say we are God's servant when we don't give up, when no trouble and trial and crosses take we. People beat we, them fling we in a prison. Crowd and crowd of people try kill we off. But we still a walk. We are walk all when we not have the strength for walk no more. Enough night, we not get no sleep. And we not have no food for eat. But we still a walk. We sure say we are God's servant when we keep ourselves clean. God make we understand His message and make we know how He want we to live. We sure say we are God's servant when we kind to people and take time with them and not quick forget vex or grumble. We make the Holy Spirit help we to do the work. We not do it by our own. We sure say we are God's servant when we show people love, no matter who them be or what them do. We always show them love. We only teach the truth and God power a work in a way. And same like our soldier use the weapon in a them left hand to protect themselves and the one in a them right hand to fight the people them where come against them. As same so the good way we do, we fight and protect we from everything we would have come against we. Some people big we up. Other people try to put we down. Some people respect we. Other people try to shame we. Some people say we are lied, but we always tell the truth. Some people don't know we, but some people know we. Some people think we are dead, but look, we still alive. Them punish we and make us suffer, but we not dead. We always happy, even when we are suffer. And even though we poor, we are make enough people rich. Me no mean so we help them make money. Them rich cause them believe in a God and say away ma go give them when them believe. As same so with we. It come like say we know nothing, but we really have everything cause we believe in a God. Uno, we in a Corinth. We always straight with uno. We always tell you the truth We no hide nothing from uno. And we love uno with everything we dey in our heart. We not hold back we love for uno, but uno a hold back for uno love for we. So, to be fair, me a ask uno, since we still love uno, love we back. Me a talk to uno like say, uno am own a pickney them. Love we with everything we there in our heart. And God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.